Hi friends, welcome to Smart Technology. Welcome to Tech Info episode number 1. Let's get started with the today's tech news. The first news is from Huawei. Huawei launched its MediaPad 13 with AMD Ryzen CPU in UK, and alongside in China its sub-brand Honor launch is going to launch its Honor 30 Lite with MediaTek Dimensity 800 SoC, and it has a full HD 90Hz display. And the leaks from GSM Arena is that this Honor 30 Lite will have a 14 megapixel quad rear facing camera setup. So let's see how will it look. Next news is from Motorola. Motorola launched its Moto One Fusion Plus in India on 16th of June. So now a new phone with Moto One Fusion has listed in Google Play forums. So it has a Snapdragon 710 SoC and HD plus display. So let's see whether it will launch in India or not. Next news is from LG. So we all know that LG is one of the giant in OLED technology. So now LG has showcased a display which is very transparent. So it look like this. So when will this technology come into our hands? Let's see. And the next news is from Redmi. So finally, the Redmi 9S smartphone has listed in BIS India certification. So this is going to launch very soon in India. Let's see how will they price it. So the next news is from OnePlus. So we are all waiting for OnePlus Z or OnePlus Nord, whatever it is. So this phone is finally listed in BIS certification. It also received TU Rainan certification. And this phone is going to launch in July. Let's see. As the rumors, the leaked price is around 25,000. So let's see how will they price it in India. So it's getting, as rumors, it's getting launched in July 2nd along with the OnePlus TVs in India. So let's see. Next news is from Samsung. Samsung Note 10 Lite is the most affordable Note series from Samsung. So the Samsung Note 10 Lite is launched for 41,999 rupees initially. So recently today the phone has got a price cut for amount of rupees 3000 sorry 37,999. So there is a instant cashback offer even on Citibank cards. If you use the Citibank cards, the effective price will be 32,999. So this is the best smartphone in the price segment, and all the Note series interested people can have a look on this smartphone. And there is also a GB variant of it also. Now it's available for 40,000 rupees, and after the initial price effective price cut, it will be 34,999 rupees. So you can have a look on this. And the next news is again from Samsung. Uh, Samsung Note 20 Ultra, the latest upcoming Note series from Samsung. So there is a leak that Samsung S20 Ultra will have a Quad HD Plus 120Hz refresh rate screen and with a punch hole on the top. So it look like this as you can see the photo. So it's coming in August. Let's see how will they price it and is this leak real or not. We'll get to know in August itself. Next news is from Realme. So Realme has finally changed its design layout, camera design layout. So we have been seeing the same design from the past many Realme phones. So finally now Realme has changed it. It has listed in TINA certification. So rumors are that this phone is Realme X3 Pro. So these are just rumors, and we can see there is no side mounted fingerprints or back fingerprint sensor. So this one has an AMOLED display, so it's a good news. So let's see what phone is this and when will Realme launch it. The next news is from Oppo. Oppo launched its smartwatch long back in China. So it's time for India now. So in India it has received a BIS certification for Oppo watch. So let's see what they price in India. The next news is from Honor. Honor in China is going to launch a 7-inch display screen size smartphone with the 5G support. So let's see how it will be. And the next news is from Realme. Realme has confirmed its Realme X3 and Realme X3 Super Zoom are launching on 25th of June. So Realme has also confirmed that both of the phones Realme X3 and X3 Super Zoom will have Snapdragon 855 plus SoC. And now regarding the Realme Buds Q, Realme has announced it's officially announced that the Realme Buds Q will also launch on the same day, that is June 25th. Next news again is from Realme. Realme C11. This is a smartphone which is being speculated from in online from past few days. So now this phone is going to launch in Malaysia, and its processor is MediaTek Helio G35. This is the world's first MediaTek Helio G35 processor phone. So there is some render leak of this phone also. So have a look on it. The next news is from Oppo. A new TWS earphones from Oppo called Oppo Enco W11 is going to launch on 25th of June, and its rumored price is 2,999 rupees. So let's see how the price it is the real price or not. Next is from Realme. The Realme is launching its Realme Buds Q along with Realme X3 and Realme X3 Super Zoom on 25th of June through Flipkart. So we know that the Realme Buds Q are available in black color. So new two different colors are listed online. These are yellow color and white color. So now Realme Buds Q is available in three different colors, that is yellow, white and black. So let's wait for the 25th of June for the pricing. Next news from Apple. There is an interesting news coming out from Apple. Apple is thinking of changing its iOS to iPhone OS. So previously we have seen that they have changed iOS in iPads to iPad OS. So they are thinking now to change iOS in iPhones to iPhone OS. So there is a leak star called John Prosser. He also teased it as iPhone OS. So let's see whether Apple changes its name to iPhone OS. Next news is from Oppo. Oppo A15. This is a smartphone launched long back. So now a new color variant called Blazing Blue for Oppo A15 is going to launch very soon in India. So let's see. The next news is from Sony. A new Sony smartphone with Snapdragon 865 processor as listed in Geekbench. So let's see what this phone is. And as we know that Sony has shut down its mobile business in India. So let's see what's this mobile and what's the specialty of this phone. So let's see, wait for the future. So the first news is from Microsoft. So if you remember, Microsoft has launched its tablet come phone with Android software. So Microsoft is looking to provide Android 11 beta for that Microsoft Duo. So let's see what happens with Microsoft. So the next news is from Xiaomi. We know that Xiaomi launches many products, many IoT products. So now it's time for mouse. So a Mi Smart Mouse has been certified in certification pages. Its dongle has also been certified. It's certified with Bluetooth certification, Bluetooth SIG certifications. So let's see what Xiaomi does with this smart mode. So this is first episode of Tech Info. So I hope you like this video. For more informative videos, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any recommendations or anything, please comment. I will make them possible. Thank you for watching. Thank you.